Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this video we are going to talk about how you can create a new folder in Visual Studio Code, and it will be a full guided video for you guys. So creating a new folder is completely easy. So here you can see, if you want to create a new file, you just need to click over here. Then if you want to open a new file, you just need to click over that place. If you want to open folder, you just need to go over here. So but if you want to create a new folder, how you can do it? You just need to go over here, and from that place you just need to click on new file. Once you click over here, then give a name like index, and then hit enter, and the file will be created. And from that place you just need to click over that one and click new, and just give a name that I am going to give my name in here, or you can provide name of the index and then click this one. And under this, like into this, you just need to want to create a file. And as you can see, we already create the folder. If I check the folder here, you will eventually find it out in that place. Just click to the one and search for index, and here I am going to search index, and you will find it out. The folder is in here. Under this you will find out this index file. So this way you can easily create folder by using Visual Studio Code. If you love this video, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Till then, have a good day. I will catch you in the next video with an interesting topic again.